When you are ready to start recording, you will notice it says here on these blocks of code that for the Makey Makey, when the right arrow is pressed, we want it to play a specific sound until that sound is done. And you can see this section is designated to the right arrow on the Makey Makey. The up, the left, the down, the space, the W, there's a bunch of them that you can obviously choose from depending on where your wires are hooked up to your Makey Makey, which is described in another video. However, when you are ready to record your sounds, you will notice right now I have nothing. I can simply click record here, or what I prefer is going to the Sounds tab. At the Sounds tab, you would hover over the bottom, and I would go to the microphone that says record. You may get a message asking to allow your microphone. Make sure you do so that it is not blocked. When you click it, I can simply hit record. It's going to record everything I'm saying, and then I'm going to hit stop. I can trim, or I can play to make sure, and even re-record. Okay, so obviously that works. I'm going to hit save. Now you can see it says recording 1. I'm going to call this sample recording. What I do is I record all of my recordings that I'm going to use for my interactive presentation, and I'm going to switch back to the code. Now, before where it said record, I can choose sample recording, so when the right arrow is pressed on the Makey Makey, it's going to be right there. So obviously you would do all of your recordings, and for each one you would just select which one is which. And that way it knows when you touch that item that's associated to the right arrow, it's going to play this specific recording. If you need to make any changes, you can obviously go back to the Sounds tab and make some changes right here, but it's as simple as recording, changing the name, and then using it right here with the drop-down selection.